Hello everyone. Subject Science, Class 4th, Lesson Force, Work and Energy, Module 2. Students, in first module we learn about forces, push and pull, and about work. Now in this module we will learn about simple machine. A simple machine is a device that makes work easier for us. It can reduce the force needed to move a load, change a small movement into a large one. In our daily life, we often use tools such as knives, nails, cutters to make our work easy. Now, types of simple machines: lever, inclined plane, wedge, pulley, wheel and axle, and screw. These tools help us to do certain tasks quite easily. Lever. Lever makes it easy for us to move or lift weights, open bottle caps, or cutting the things. For example, seesaw, dam track, broom, crane, nail clipper, nutcracker, scissors, etc. Inclined plane makes it easier to move object upward, but you have to go further horizontally. We need less energy and force to move objects on an inclined plane. For example, highway or sidewalk ramp, ladder, roller coaster, and bathtub, etc. Wheel and axle makes it easy to move things by rolling them and reducing friction. For example, car, bicycle, office chair, wagon, clock, etc. It's really very easy to move things from one place to another with wheels and axle. Turns rotation into lengthwise movement. Takes many twists to go a short distance. Hold things together. For example, screws, bolts, clamps, jar lids, etc. Wedge pushes materials apart, cuts things. It is made up of two inclined planes. For example, doorstop, zipper, horseplow, etc. Pulley makes lifting things with a rope easier by redirecting force and the addition of additional pulleys. A pulley makes it easy to draw water from a well. For example, flag pulley, blinds, cranes, etc. What is energy? Energy gives us the ability to do work. In other words, the ability to do work is called energy. Now let us learn about different type of energies in use around us. First, muscular energy. The energy stored in the muscles that enables us to do work is called muscular energy. Human beings and animals use muscular energy all the time. Solar energy. The energy that we obtain from the sun is called solar energy. Solar heaters and solar cookers are used to heat water and cook food. Next, wind and water energy. Wind and water are natural resources. For centuries, people have been using windmills and water mills for grinding grain and other purposes. Now, energy from fuels. Fuels are materials that release energy when they are burnt. Solid fuels: wood, coal, charcoal. Liquid fuels: kerosene, petrol, diesel. Gaseous fuels: CNG, LPG, biogas, hydrogen, etc. Now in this module we learnt about simple machine and energy. Thank you and have a nice day.